Exercise extreme caution, a warning to card users as banks are reporting a re-emergence of debit and credit card scams. The warning from the Jamaica Bankers Association comes after several voice notes were circulated at the weekend. Giovanni Dennis has this report.
I have one sitting there, one grabber. I would have one sitting like a machine or you swipe a card, but not so big, I want a little small machine like.
A leaked voice note apparently describing how fraudsters are cloning credit and debit cards of unsuspecting users.
Say as an example, somebody give you the card for buy gas or sitting off of it. If you can run it through a grabber, if a $1 million they have in an account, you grabber pick up the information and go build a different card off of it and get the whole $1 million out of account and would have split it like 50-50 for me and you.
This grabber scam being described is nothing new. Rory Ebanks is Director of IT Security at Simtai Consulting.
So the grabber is pretty much that's a Jamaican term, but in essence it's called skimming. So it's skimming the card, and what that does is copy the information that's on the card.
Jerome Smalling is president of the Jamaica Bankers Association.
It's referred to as a card reader. It's programmed to copy the information that is embedded on your magnetic strip.
And while we can't independently verify these voice notes, persons are reporting being caught by this grabber or card cloning scam.
It happened to me. The bank called me on Wednesday to notify me. So they moved every dollar of my salary.
Well, they cleared out my account at Scotiabank and they made an attempt on my NCB account. Also, a day later, NCB managed to block them.
In fact, banks are reporting an increase in this and other scams.
Well, a number of banks are actually reporting an increase in fraudulent activities, including electronic fraud.
The increase comes after a TVJ report last week in which the police were warning consumers to brace for a spike in similar crimes. He didn't provide details of the scale of the increase, but Mr. Smalling noted that discussions are ongoing with the security apparatus to curb the re-emergence of card cloning scams.
We had a meeting with the Ministry of National Security. They are also aware of it. They've beefed up their team in terms of investigating these activities. A lot of the knowledge and expertise in terms of skimming is coming out of Eastern Europe.
In the meantime, card users are being urged to be vigilant, especially at remote ATMs and places like gas stations.
Some persons may just give the attendant the card and they enter the information. But when you give that attendant to their card, sometimes they even go inside the gas station and you don't know what they're doing.
Ensure that the card does not leave your sight, so do not allow people to go away with your card. I'm not suggesting that you should mistrust everybody that you come up against, but just to protect yourself, you need to ensure that you're watching the transaction, you're looking at the person inserting or swiping the card, and that you are protecting your PIN.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.